at intermediate target now. So many people who don't have this, both the softwares, that is a TradingTree and this software. So what you will do is you will usually exit at the intermediate target, that is 1580. So that is roughly around 10 rupees. 10 rupees in futures is nothing but 2500 rupees in ICICI Bank. Now what I will do is I will wait. I know that there is a still downside for ICICI Bank. It can make its S1 level at least. So I will wait till here. So that is, the price is nothing but 1578. 1578 is, so I can try till the final target. I can wait till the final target. So in case if you don't have the software, what you can actually do is, now your price is 1578. Now your intermediate target is 1580. Now you put your trailing stop loss. You change your stop loss from 1599. This is your stop loss, 1599 to 1587 or 1583. So in case if the call reverses also, you will not be under loss and you will definitely make some profit. So that is how you can trade. So if you just check all the scripts, I'll just show you ICICI Bank. I have showed you. Adani is there in another system. So I'll just pick up only the calls which are here. So let's say Infi. Infi, see, you can very clearly make it out. Infi has done its R1 very neatly. So I don't mind exiting at this point because it's already done its final target. So that's roughly around 50 rupees. 50 into 125. So that's a decent profit of 6,200 rupees. So I don't want to stay in that trade for a long time because it's already reached this R1 level. So I can exit that trade. So that is how you trade. Now let me take you to Ranbaxy. So you know that the Ranbaxy has already made its final target. It neatly made its R2 level. So that is its final target, 665. So I can exit this trade. So 5,000 rupees is what I have made on Ranbaxy. I'm happy about it. I just close the trade and look for some other trade. So that is how you should be actually trading. So if you have both the softwares, then it becomes easy. If you don't have the software, what you'll do is you'll keep trailing your stop losses. So now Rel Infra, we have a sell call. Let's just check what's happening in Rel Infra. Now we know that Rel Infra started here. This is at 920. This is the candle at 920 and it is falling down. It has already hit the stop loss line. So we should be getting a sell call now. So we can actually take this call without much fuss. So 746 is the entry, 753 is the stop loss. So let's check Maruti also. Maruti, because it's not moving from the target 1, target 2 from a very long time. We have got the sell call, if you remember. Now this call could 2920 is the price what we were talking about. So it's still at 2923. So another 3 rupees if it comes down, it will get triggered and then you'll definitely have a sell call with a target of 2903. Because Maruti has been, we have this buy call from, it is 27th. So 27th it got generated 2783. Now it is around 2923. So obviously a script which goes up has to come down. So we'll just wait for that to happen. So this is how you should be trading actually. Now let's take HCL Tech. HCL Tech, there is still a possibility that it can go make R2 or you can exit at this point also. Fair enough, you'll get decent profits because yesterday it was, I mean, I think we had a buy call even yesterday also. So it will become overbought. So you can actually exit at this point also. and your gap up and gap downs don't affect this particular system. So everything is taken care. In case there are two scenarios, if there is a gap up, let's say if there is a gap up, the script will move further up, further on the upside, or else what will happen is if there is a gap up, it will come down also. Let me just give you an example. Let's say the bank nifty itself. Let me talk about the bank nifty. You can see this is the 920 candle. It was a gap up, and then the buy call will be generated here at 16295. But this gave a buy call and then it came down, it gave a sell call. So that is the reason why we have a sell call in bank nifty here. So the gap up and gap down doesn't affect this particular system. So that is what I wanted to say. Now you can keep changing your scripts. Let me just have a Union Bank. So LIC Finance, you can just see, I mean, when I actually added the script, it was somewhere near 315. Now it has made its final target. Final target in the sense, now when I am seeing my chart, it has made R2 level. So I can exit this script, or else I can trail my stop loss also. So whenever a script makes its final targets, it's always better to exit the trade and then take up another trade. Now let me just tell you what's happening with SSLT. SSLT can make its final target, so I will wait. 284 I will wait, because that is SSLT is 2000 lot. So now it is at 83. Now if it makes 84, that will be another 2000 rupees extra profit, but it can make its final target. Let me just check IRB. IRB already, I think it's at R1 level, so it's better you can exit at this, or at 262, or that is the final target, you can exit that trade, because most of the trade is exhausted in that. So Nifty, we have a buy call now, 8128. So now let me just go to the Nifty chart in Nifty chart. So here we know that the next level is the R1 level. So another 10 or 20 points is a possibility for this. Let's say 10 points, 10, 15 points is possible for this. So we can definitely take this call. So this is how we can trade with both the softwares together. And And scripts like Maruti and Hero Motors, if in case if you don't have the trading tree with you, what you can do is if a particular script gives a sell call or a buy call and then it's not moving anywhere from a long time, you can actually exit those kind of calls, because usually an script gives a call, most of the trade is done within half an hour or 1 hour, whatever it is. But if it is not moving anywhere, you can exit the trade and then look for some other trades. Now in case of DLF, I'll put IB Real Estate. It's a sell call. So there is a possibility that it can come, must still come down. It's already made its final target.
There is a buy call in auto bond one. There is a buy call in aluminium one.
So we get this.
There is a buy call in gold one.
So we have a buy call in gold and we have a buy call in aluminium. So what we do is we will just go to aluminium, the chart. You'll place your trade here, 127.74. Place slightly above that and wait for the call to get triggered. So if it triggers, your first target will be R2. If it doesn't trigger, your call will not execute and you'll still be safe. So the same thing with gold. So you can place your trade here, 27,600, and then wait for the call to get executed. So with TradingTree you can trade in all the segments. That is, you can trade in equity, futures, options. You have only Nifty options. You can trade in commodities, LCDX, and currency also. And you can do both intraday and positional calls. So DLF, we have a sell call 185. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the DLF chart.
There is a buy call in silver one.
So I have a buy call in silver also. So gold and silver usually will be on the same side. So let me just check DLF. So DLF has hit this brown. We'll just wait on DLF because anything can happen in DLF. Because Nifty is going up and DLF we have a sell call. The DLF is an high beta script actually. So it can reverse very easily. So we will just wait on DLF. Can I know something? Where are you from? I would first like to know where are you from, Mr. Rakesh? You just come and say, are you here for the first time? Arvindo Pharma, we have a very good call.
No.
Let me just, in place of infield, let me add Arvindo Pharma. So that was a very good call actually. We got a call around 10-15 minutes back. Still can go up. Now let me just change Yes Bank to some other thing. In Godrej we have a buy call. It's a good call actually. Now Yes Bank is moving up. Let's see what will be its targets. So Yes Bank, I think we can still wait. It's just taking a breather. It should come up. Meanwhile, you can just see Wipro. We were talking about Wipro. It's 574. It's 574.7 is the target 7. It can still make it. Adani Power, you can exit. It's made its intermediate targets. It's not moving anywhere. R Power is also the same thing. Tata Power made its intermediate target. Very less profits. in India, actually you can exit. There's no point in staying on this trade because it's already made its intermediate targets. Let's just check ONGC. ONGC is on news.
There is a buy call in Federal A1. There is a sell call in
Okay,
H1 and
ONGC, we
R1.
should be getting a sell call.
There is a
here.
sell call in E1 and R1. There is a sell call in type 1. There is a sell call in U, then on the ECH1.
HDIL, I have a sell call. I'll just place it in place of Crompton Greaves, which has already made its final target. So if you have any doubts, you can just type it in the chat box. So DLF is at intermediate targets. You can see Arvindo Pharma is at target 4. What is S-Bank? S-Bank, what do you mean S-Bank? S-Bank, I think you can exit. There's no point in, because volumes are also down, I guess. It's been, it's there in a buy mode from quite some time. So it gave a buy call at 570. So it gave a buy call at 575. Now it is at 618. I think you can re-enter once you get a sell call, and then you can get into buy mode. I think Nifty is coming down. You can add Gale here. It's already a sell call.